Hey guys, just wanted to show you this handy dandy little lift table I've put together here. So what I've got is a steel work table, and I have to lift these cutting units right there onto this table in order to disassemble them for sharpening. They're heavy. These ones are sharp. They weigh about 50, 60 pounds. And then these ones over here, even heavier, fairway units, weigh about 80 pounds. And there's 5 fairway units per machine times 2. And there's 3 greens and tee cutting units times 3. So that makes 9 and 10 to lift. That's a lot of lifting. So what we did is made this crane, got a little 12-volt motor, and it's mounted to this end of this table. There's a 12-volt battery, and what you've got is a winch control here. So when you push out the cable, it has a hanger on the bottom to pick these up. Comes down, and when you push in, it brings it up. So this pivots. You can bring it around. It has a couple stops on it. It stops right there, and it also stops parallel with the end of the table, so that you can't swing this 360 degrees, because we were concerned it was going to tip over. So what you do, you line up your hanger like so, and then it's got a back button here. You stop right there, and then you take this, and you basically swing it over your table, and you drop that baby. Down like that, and then you take it apart to sharpen it. Pretty neat. Thanks for watching.